Alright guys, so I'm down here at the river waiting on Seth. I think he's going to get some bread. I'm going to throw the sink out here. See if anything bites that. Oh my god! Oh my god! Seth! Come here! I got a carp. Told you there was some carp here. Oh! It's a big one, dude.
Oh yeah, man.
On some endings.
On what?
At the endings of the bread.
Yeah. Maybe I have to get my shit and come down here.
Dude, I seen like 6 of them sitting here in this. What do you think, huh? Hopefully. My first carp on a noodle rod. This carp really ever. Look at that big old pig.
Should be fine. Carp are hard hitting.
Look at that.
Get a quick view of her.
Let's get her back in the water.
Back in the water.
Can I just throw her in?
Yeah. She's gonna be fine.
Yeah,
there she goes.
Huh? Think we can use some of that blood for bread? On the bread?
I don't see why not.
So, what happened was, I turned off the camera. I was about to come down there with Seth, pick up my noodle rod that he got me here for my birthday, and literally I felt doop doop, hook set. Look at the blood. And that carp was sitting right there. I seen a couple over here in this grass. I cast it right here, threw some bread, let it come down, pick up my rod to come down with Seth. And a freaking toad carp came out. That was fun. I haven't had that much of a fight in a while. I mean, on a noodle rod, guys, if you don't have a noodle rod, they're not expensive. So, let's go see if Seth needs help. Yeah, but guys, Seth just got here when I hooked that fish. He thought I had a muskie on with top water, which...
You were panicking this time. I was like, oh, he's throwing like the whopper plopper spook.
No, but I kept saying, Seth, I got a carp. I seen a whole bunch of carp and he didn't hear me. And right when I picked up my rod, doot doot, hook set. That was sweet. I gotta get this blood off my hands. I ain't putting that on the bread. Oh, that just feels so horrible. Alright guys, get back to you if we're catching him more. Coming?
He just broke the hook, but he's still on shore.
Oh, I see him. Okay. Do you want me to get him and then you can get your hook?
Are you able to hop on that stump, bud?
Yeah, I think so down here. Fuck.
Oh, you didn't have to go in the water.
No, I'm actually like in a couple inches of water here. And I got a line on me. Oh, he's a nice cat, isn't he?
Yeah, throw him up on the tank, bud.
Okay. Nice little cat. Now we got 3 fish to show.
Yes, sir. See you later, bud.
We salute you. Oh, good job, Seth.
Thank you, bud.
Good catch, my man.
Pulled my whole finger off the line.
Really? And they're deeper then.
That didn't help much.
Got him. I'm recording that too. It's a cat. Yeah. Catching some cats and carp today, boys. I asked Seth if he wanted to go to Lake Heaven, and he said, no, I think I'm about going catting. I sat at my house and thought, you know what? That doesn't sound like a bad idea. I got it.
Good.
Alright guys, another little channel, fat little channel, probably been eating our bread. There you go, buddy. I think that's a carp. I don't know.
No, that might be.
Cat.
No, that might be a carp.
Alright guys, I got one hooked up here.
If it's a cat, it's a nice cat.
That ain't a cat.
I think it's a carp.
I don't know. Just might be being a pussy, but I like to fight. Cause I'm feeling rolling. Did he just get up? It's a cat, man. I mean, he's fat. It's a nice cat. I thought it was a carp, dude. Alright guys, hopefully this is good. Okay, hold on. He bit me.